Hello, my name is Aditi Ramesh Jadhav. I am from April batch. My today's subject is non-technical story. The story name is the boy who cried on lion. Once there is a village. There is one old man is staying. Is One man is living. The man is very hardworking. He is very busy in making his flock graze all the day long. His flock graze all the day long. He took his flock on the hill for the grazing, and he sit under the tree. he, uh, he full day only watching the he full day only watching the flock. And at afternoon at evening came to her he is come to his home. One day he is feels very ill. Feels very ill. The man also have a one boy. The boy is a very naughty. My boy is very naughty. All the village in a peoples are angry on him because of his naughtiness. The one day the man feels very illness. He is very worried about his flock. He is very worried about his flock. He's don't he's don't trust on her on his boy. At the evening he told her boy, I feels very illness. So you can give the flock grazing hill station. You promise that you can take care of my flocks. The boy is listening her. The boy is very seriously listening her voice, and give his promise कि, that he is taking care of her, of his flaws. Then the next morning the boy is ready for took the flock grazing on the hill station. He is took the flocks on a hill. uh, for some time he is very silent. For some time he is very silent. But after some time he is bored, because of he cannot create any naughtiness. He had one idea. He is loudly shouting, help, the lion is coming. The lion is eating my sheep. Please help me. The peoples are listening her voice and coming fast. But there is a no lion. He is saying that it is just a joke. After that the peoples are came back. But the next day also he shouting loudly, please help me, the lion is coming. The peoples are also running fastly up to him. But lion is also not come the lion is also not coming. He is saying that it is just a joke. Peoples are coming back. But after the next day the lion was really coming. The lion was really coming. he also shouted loudly, help me, lion is coming, lion is coming, lion is eating my ships, lion is eating my ships. But people thinks he is taking, he is creating a not, he is creating a naughtiness. The people have had no coming, people had no coming. In a afternoon, the sun and the floods are not coming in a village. So villages can searching, the villagers can searching the boy and ships, but the lion is eating the sun and flocks. But the lion is eating the flocks and the boy. The moral of the story is the moral of the story is the lioness is a very bad for us. Thank you.